And the black people are always like, hey, bitch. And the Indian people, we do not call our women in such a way. Ooh, you suck.
Let's talk about the reason why Indian parents are like the most, passive aggressive parents, and why. I mean, like,
it's good when the passive happen. Just aggressive.
Okay, these are the kind of topics where I already have a ready-made speech because I've spoken about this in
that's great. This is the first time in the podcast, right?
In the podcast, yes.
Yeah, then
for
it's
sure.
not an issue. Yeah, I think me and Kaushik are two living. I think me and Kaushik are like two living examples of that. Like Indian parents being very passive aggressive. But like I would say I'm lucky that like I was like, Ma, this is what I'm going to do. Yeah. But at one point of time, they were also like, they didn't understand what the hell was happening. And even right now, they're like, okay, so let me just tell you a quick incident. So finally, I got my college scores, and thank God, because of the lockdown only, I got a CGPA of 8.6. Okay. This was because of this thing only, lockdown only. அப்போதான் வந்துட்டு பிட் அடிக்க முடியும், அதெல்லாம் அம்மாக்கு தெரியும், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஸோ தட்ஸ் நாட் அன் இஷ்யூ. ஸோ யா, ஐ டோல்ட் தெம் தட் ஹே மா, ஐ காட் 8.6 CGPA, இஸ்ன்ட் தட் கிரேட்? இப்போதான் நீ தான் யூடியூப்ல ஏதோ கர்மம் பண்ண போற இல்லை, அப்புறம் இதுக்கு இதெல்லாம் மேட்டர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரே வார்த்தையில் முடிச்சிட்டாங்க. ஸோ that's how the plight of our Indian kids are. So like, what do you think about that?
No, actually, you hit the nail right on the button. As in, many of the parents are passive aggressive, or they are always anxious or concerned about what the kid is going to do because they don't really know that a lot of paths exist. They always take a frame of reference from their own path, or life, saying that okay, this is the way to go about it. They've made an arrangement that in many cases have not worked for themselves, but that's the only way they know. Okay, go to school, go to college, get a job, get married. So that is what they are.
That was at that age the necessity, like what they
yeah,
wanted.
probably, but I don't agree with that also. Back then they just did not explore.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm not trying to blame them or anything, but many of them, they just did not explore and go out of their ways and try to do stuff. But in that way, I just want to talk about my mother over here. I'm going to show her this video because she is super badass. You will not believe it. She learned to drive at the age of 48. She's been running a beauty parlor for 25 years. Now she's like a consultant for colleges who want to set up beautician departments. So she's super inspiring because she's always believed in the fact of being independent and has always supported us in whatever we wanted to do. There have been times when she had her doubts and she would cry about it. I didn't get good marks in school, certain times, and she would cry about it. I don't know what you're going to do with your life. But the thing is, when you talk, she listened. Certain parents don't listen, but she was always ready to listen. And yeah, that's...
What about you, Kaushik?
Actually, no. I think from my experience, like I'd say me and Aarti are very common in the fact, like set to be a different path, then we have different interests. If I am to say one advice, like you should plan that from before, because many people fight in college. Like I hate this. What are you gonna do fighting in college? You go to your room, slam the door.
Yeah, I drop out in the first year itself, like I did.
See, some people can't. Like,
Yeah, we can't do that.
how do they do that? Dad, I want to drop out. Sure. 4 lakhs capitation. No, you take it.
They'll disown me if I did that. Like, they was like,
Pay back my 25, especially medicines capitation.
dude, this dude is very powerful,
25? Oh my god.
அதெல்லாம் கம்மிங்க.
25 was 2010 is less. Now it's some 45. Now medicine. Now it's like UG is 1 crore. If I had 1 crore, like paying 1 crore education, like give it to me in the bank and just
I
let
know,
me
right?
invest
Yeah.
that.
Exactly.
See,
Buy bitcoins, man.
I
Buy
told-
3 bitcoin.
I told Amar, like, that's the capitation some 50 lakhs. Now it's like, check, set up a studio with
You know what I would do with 1 crore? Buy 3 bitcoin. Buy Ethereum for 5 lakhs. And n number of cryptocurrency, Dodge and everything is coming up right now. Elon Musk is backing Dodge.
yeah, no. That dude is like a freaking messiah right now. But anyways, like coming back to this, see, the thing is like if you're going to talk about like people from other countries, like for example, I'll talk with the examples I know, like musicians and artists who became very famous, like let's say Ed Sheeran or like Travis Scott or like people like that. If you look at their origins, it's very humble. they're like they didn't even know what they're going to do, and they're like you know what, music is something which I want to do, so I will do it. So what they did was they obviously came out of their parents' houses. They were in somewhere, I mean, like they spent their time in some relative's house or some friend's house. They used to bunk there, and then when they got famous, they came out. But if you imagine doing that in India, இந்தியாலே வந்துட்டு like a lot of people, parents சொல்லுவாங்க, you should not spend time in other people's houses, you should not, you know, at least it was with me. நான் ரொம்ப நாள் இருந்தேனா,
which girl we talking about?
What?
Which girl we talking about?
No. No, I'm talking about staying at friends' house itself. அதுவே வந்துட்டு they say it's very bad, you should not stay at friends' house and all. அப்புறம் எதுக்கு நாங்க வீடு கட்டி வச்சிருக்கோம்? I'm like, bro, what the fuck, that does not even make any sense. The thing is, like, avanga vanditu, like, I mean, like in America it was like, I mean, like if they're able to do it, then they'll do it. But here people are being very, you know, பயமுறுத்திக்கிட்டே இருக்காங்க. அவங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு வேணும்னா, like musicians, if they wanted to like get famous, they'll work hard for it, they'll obviously get it. But in India, I think that a lot of parents and a lot of people in the society itself, they're like, you know, putting pressure and putting என்ன சொல்றது, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு passive aggressive social blackmail பண்ணியே they make us doubt ourselves. Like if it is academic, yes, you can do whatever you want, I'm willing to. See, I'll give you an example. My dad was like, MS படிக்கிறதுக்கு வந்து I'll give you like 50 lakhs, it won't be an issue. But it's like, அப்பா அது லோன் எடுக்கணும்ப்பா, பரவாயில்ல, நான் எஜுகேஷனுக்காக எது வேணாலும் பண்ணுவேன். Okay, then give me 50 lakhs for some sort of business, or like let me invest in myself by doing something. அதுக்குள்ள பண்ண முடியாது.
5 lakh short films.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we could do that, but he's like, no.
Give 50 lakhs. On a poker table, 49 lakhs on red. Black.
So that's the attitude of people, I mean, like at least in India.
Yeah. It's because they don't know any better, you know. Again, the root cause of this problem is ignorance.
What I was going to say is like, when it comes to like the whole case in India, like you were saying, see, everyone rebels, but I feel if you're rebel, you should rebel with a plan. Like instead of just getting angry, like, okay, my parents are like this, what can I do to get out?
See, the point is not to get angry. You know, when we become angry, an angry mind is a narrow mind. You know, we are not able to think clearly, and this anger towards our parents is unwarranted. They don't even know that they're doing it. You know, we just have to try and talk to them. You know, maybe give them compelling.
And even if you can't talk, like, how can I get to them? Because of many classic things, like, for example, my strict parents won't let out. How do I do it? I finish quickly, go to a foreign place. I can work on it slowly from there. And the biggest way to show a parent is like, you know, this is what I'm doing, this is how much I'm earning, and that will get the message through. Chumma yelling in college, what are you going to do? I feel you should plan the whole thing out and narrow your like actions towards it.
You should have a strategy.
Strategy, exactly. Like, my parents are, you know, like strict, they won't let me out, but they won't mind me going to foreign. That's the biggest loophole in Indian parents.
I know.
Go to foreign. It's like, you know.
No, if you look at Indian religion, or if you look at many of these things, you know, there is a lot of clarity in the roots of it. But people, because they have forgotten that, you know, they don't have the clarity anymore. They use tools like guilt, fear. This is what they use to dissuade their children or the society from doing something. They don't even know why they're doing it. They're just blinded by their own ignorance.
Getting angry is like no issue. Just how do we do it? Like, so okay, my parents don't let me out, they're strict in this. Fine, they won't mind me going here. I get some space to do this here. From now, I'll build up the thing established. That's how it works.
That's true. We should have an action plan, and you know, just getting angry, you know.
I don't like slam doors and all that.
Even anger, we can fuel our intensity with that anger. You know, we should know how to channelize anger.
For example, I give an example. You're a YouTuber, you're in a house where they're like strict once you get a job. Fine, like finish college, we get a job far away, less time, so you can work anything side by side. And then like when you're financially independent, you can like tell this thing. Middle of college, yelling, what are you going to do? If you get out, like, hey, calm down. Let's not go there.
Right. No, but I mean, in my personal journey, I don't think everyone's journey has to be the same way. I told my mom, no, I don't want to do engineering anymore. I don't think it was the subject itself. I'm actually very interested in science, but you know, the college.
Don't just love when these fuckers do that. They leave the thing. By the way, I actually like science. Whoa.
Seriously, I love science. You know, I like Aditya said. You know, I am also an explorer. I love learning and reading about n number of things, aliens, you name it. You know, I just love reading about a lot of things.
Hard work's very interesting. Like, we all hard work in our own way, but parents is not the thing you want. Like a kid who can't study 2 paragraphs can escape from his house, go for a movie, like finish a shoot and come back. Like, that's much more hard work than studying 2 freaking
Story of Kaushik's life.
Yeah, that's coming in the autobiography, by the way.
I mean, we have to put our efforts into directions that we love, right? You know, so we don't. சூர்யா சார் சொல்ற மாதிரி எதுவும் கஷ்டப்பட்டு பண்ணக்கூடாது, இஷ்டப்பட்டு பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவார்ல.
So you're coming out of college or you're coming out of education or something, you're like you're finishing what your parents wanted to do, but appo vandittu it's like then you figure out that like your life was a lie to you because this was all you have known, the education was all you've known in your life. Appo vandittu people like I don't understand how they would be able to come up with a plan of sorts to like become independent. Na enna solla varena, they are not articulate enough to tell out their, they can feel that something is wrong with what they're doing, but I'm trying to say that they're not articulate enough to tell them, hey, this is what I want to do, this is the direction I want to do. It's like right now I feel that like a lot of I've spoken with a lot of people like who are in a some sort of life crisis or like career crisis and all. They tell that they're not happy with the job they want, but they're not happy with the job they have.
They have to do something about it.
No, I'm saying that people, at least like right now, since they have been under the exposure of parents in the society for a long time, they're not able to think for themselves. So that is why they're not able to come up with plans, is what I'm trying to say.
I could give you a quick example of my brother. My brother was very interested in sports. He was good at everything, man. He was good at martial arts. He was good at the keyboard. So what he wanted to do after college, he did computer science engineering in a local college. I don't want to mention the name, but he did bodybuilding simultaneously. Like when he was in college, he worked out. He was this scrawny little kid when he was in school, but now he's this massive giant. He's packed on so many. It's years of work, that has gone into this.
He's
and
not
packed
joking, da. Scary shit's my brother. Oh damn.
Yeah, seriously. Like, and right now he's in the US. He's still in a software job, but he also competes pro in bodybuilding. So that is commitment. He gets off his ass. He doesn't complain. I know I got into this, but that is one way to go about it. Or you just take massive action. Break. Yeah. You should have a strategy. But what you said is also there. Like the influence of the society. Breaking that conditioning itself is a part of the job. We have to put all our energy into it, break that conditioning, and then do what you want to do, man.
So I guess that's all for our podcast.
Yeah. We are now leaving this podcast to a crisis. None of us sleeping tonight.
Yep.
Calling Athe 1 in the morning. Athe, dragons really exist.
Seriously, like on a personal note, there are n number of ways to go about it. We have a human intelligence, right? We shouldn't insult the intelligence. You ask your intelligence, how do I go about this? It's going to tell you, man. It's definitely going to tell you. It's going to give you a plan.
Ask intelligence stuff. What plan do you have and everything?
You want to rap, start writing every day. Script writers, for example, they sit and write 1 page, write 2 pages every day. Put some action into that area. Invest some energy into that area.
Why does this feel like a therapy session right now?
Yeah, it's probably because
Indian therapy is not like I feel bad, don't feel bad.